Hi guys, come with me to an event. This is my makeup. And now let's show you my dress. So this is my dress. Let's not forget about perfume. I'm using this one from Tooth. Smells really good. And if you want to know what I use for my makeup, let's start with the lip combo. I use this lip liner from Summer Fridays and it's in the shade Cinnamon. This lip treatment from Ole Henriksen. It's in shade Strawberry Sorbet. This blush from Rare Beauty in shade Bliss. This mascara from Maybelline and this one from Sephora collection. I love them. And my eyeshadow is from a palette from Sephora collection. Okay guys, so I just got it. It is so cool. Let me show you. First of all, this is my bracelet, so I can enter. And now let me show you the pop-up.
Olha ce frumos filmează, ce popor în 14.
Okay guys, so it just ended and it was so cool, and I made photo with the makeup artist. And I got the goodie bag and I will show you when I get home what I got. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's in it. Okay guys, so I just came home and I cannot wait to open it. Okay, so the first thing is his sunscreen from Purito. And I cannot wait to try it. This magic cream from Korean brand. Another sunscreen from Beauty of Jason. This cute lip mask. I really want to try it. It looks so cute. It's pink and gold. Cannot wait to try it. And the last thing is this face mask. Thank you so much, Sole, for this goodie bag. It's amazing. Okay guys, I'm done and see you in the next video. Like and subscribe for more content.